rising star na maraming gustong maabot, pwede ba naming malaman ang mga sumusunod? 1, ano ang dream role, dream project mo?
Dream role, dream project. I think my dream role or dream project would be someone na merong mahirap na mental disorder.
Challenging.
Matagal ko na siyang gustong gawin. I think yung una kong pinagbasahan na movie was Split. Before Split, yung the one with like 27 personalities, so it's like multiple personality disorder. Kasi challenge ka. So iba-iba yung ginagawa mo in one movie. And that's really, really, really draining. But now I think my goal is just like bigger than that, or it's bigger than me. I want it to be relevant and yung mga manonood, parang magiging success story siya for people that have mental health disorders, because I also went through that myself anyway, many years back.
Dream leading man mo? Hindi naman si Sandro to, no? Charot.
Ay!
Hindi naman si Kong ito, no? Ang serious niya parati, di ba?
Yeah, oo. Seryoso sa buhay yun. Pero pag nagdi-DJ siya, he gets carefree. Lumalabas yung parang bata siya na he just enjoys the music. Dream leading man, John Lloyd Cruz.
Ay, wow.
Yeah.
Ultimate leading man, no?
Yeah. Idol ko rin growing up sa sobrang husay umarte.
Dream na maka-work na veteran actor or actress, not as a leading man?
Miss Vilma Santos.
Ay, wow. Grabe. Yes. Lalaki ng mga goals mo, girl.
Gusto ko lang sa joke.
Dream commercial project. No naming of brands.
Dream commercial project. Shampoo?
Shampoo, bakit?
Shampoo, pero itatapon ako from airplane, ganun. Para may skydiving. Yeah.
First time yan, tapos susuklayin mo lang yung buhok mo, maayos na.
Diba? Hindi nagugulo.